Good morning. It's Tuesday, April 2nd, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Mostly cloudy skies across the state. A little light reflectivity in parts of north and east Georgia. Not a whole lot of rain going on, but we do have enough moisture in the atmosphere that will pick up a couple of showers for the day today and also fuel some thunderstorms moving in tonight and overnight tonight. And we are looking at a severe weather risk, which we will talk about. Let's take a look at our temperatures around the area. Actually, before we do that, let me zoom out and I'll show you where our main line of thunderstorms are this morning. They've weakened through the overnight hours, but you can connect the dots up in Ohio, stretching down along the Ohio River between Indiana and Kentucky and all the way down in Louisiana. That's your frontal boundary line, and that is going to build back up through the day today with the solar heating and, again, with all the moisture in the atmosphere here in the southeast. Those storms are going to develop. It's going to be another active weather day up in the Ohio River Valley and beginning to move into Tennessee, Mississippi, and Alabama. All right, checking out temperatures across the state. It is warm, mid-60s throughout, so showing a lot of 66-degree readings. We do have a couple of spots in the upper 50s, but it is a mild start as we get going. Checking out the severe weather outlook, we do have the level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk from Waynesboro, Statesboro, and then a big level 2 out of 5 risk. That's your darker shade of yellow. That covers metro Atlanta, Macon to Albany, most of Georgia in a level 2. This takes us till 7 tomorrow morning. And then a level 3 out of 5 severe weather risk for extreme northwest Georgia as those storms will be moving in later tonight. And then for tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center out in Norman, Oklahoma, has added a level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for coastal Georgia and most of southeast Georgia. Just a general thunderstorm risk up towards Swainsboro, Dublin, and over toward Tifton. So that just gives you an idea that we're looking at these storms kind of rebuilding itself before it completely exits tomorrow morning. So let's get the timing on everything. Through the day today, everything is pretty quiet. We'll start to see the breeze pick up a little bit in North Georgia through the early afternoon hours. 1 or 2 pop-up showers, very light, possible through the day today, but nothing significant. We head towards 6, 7 o'clock. We start to see some showers in northwest Georgia, maybe a couple of pop-up showers in middle and south Georgia as well, but that's not your main line to be concerned with. Our main line starts to enter Dade County by 10 p.m., continuing to push in toward Rome and Polk County at 11 o'clock tonight. We head toward midnight, pushing in closer to metro Atlanta. We can see that this line they're pushing this through a little bit quicker than our models were showing yesterday, so it could speed up even more. So just know that if it says 1 o'clock in the morning, as it does right here, this could be closer to midnight tonight for metro Atlanta, so just look out for that. And those storms stretch all the way down to Columbus. So strong straight-line winds are a main threat with this line, but some spin-up tornadoes are also possible as well. And really watching the southern end of the line, pushing into Albany by 3 a.m., that's where we could see some strong thunderstorms. We can see the rain kind of spread out up toward the north in Augusta and up in toward Athens. That's going to be a little bit more stable air, so that's going to take a little bit of juice out of the system. But our main line, look how sharp it is moving over Albany by 4 a.m. That's what we're really going to be watching. And then we head toward 5, 6 o'clock. Our line from Statesboro stretching down toward Cairo and Valdosta. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, sun's up, and we'll see the thunderstorms along the Georgia coastline from Savannah all the way down to St. Mary's. And then we finally push the main line out of here by 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Another little line develops on the backside of that. Shouldn't be severe, but just a few leftover thunderstorms. And we're not done with the rain through the day tomorrow. That breeze will be picking up, still some clouds around, still enough moisture in the atmosphere that we could see another little band of showers. This will not be severe at all, and actually showing the possibility of some of the moisture mixing with cooler air up in the North Georgia mountains by tomorrow night. So maybe a snow flurry or two tomorrow. No accumulation expected, especially as warm as it's been over the last few days, but could be a pretty sight up in North Georgia with those flurries blowing around in the wind, and then those little showers continue to push through the state later on tonight. So remain weather aware tonight. After 9, 10 o'clock, mainly is going to be our concern for northwest Georgia, metro Atlanta through the overnight hours, and then closer to daybreak down in southeast Georgia and along the coastline. Make sure you have that NOAA weather radio ready to go so you can get those real-time alerts through the overnight hours and have your plan ready to go in case you are under a tornado warning or severe thunderstorm warning. And I'll be right here in the Weather Center overnight tonight tracking all the storms for you. That's the latest from the Georgia Weather Net. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.